3, 2, 1, 0.
How's it going with you?
I think according to some opinions, I'm doing good. According to some other opinions,
It's good an opinion.
I fluctuate.
It's a fluctuate between bad and good and worse.
Yeah. People say, like, part of what I'm busy with recently is false positivity, by the way. I think there's nothing worse than it. You just, ik vraag niet op alle stuff, you create the world with him and all.
Nee, dat best wel.
Like that.
Listen.
Ich kann nicht mehr schicken spiel.
Dus de oilem zal de heren, niet nur 10 zijn kleren.
I did photography, so I know the camera. I think it's actually a beautiful thing to. I started selling pictures, I think. No, I did. I don't think. The part that I think about is publicizing that. Ik heb gemaakt van niet. Hans, I'm schicken de welt. Je post er aan de site en dan wordt het verkauft.
Ja.
God, ik ben een guy schluffig en een goeleman. Ik sta op, een biljonair. Nog wat is het weer.
Van alle hinder te customers.
Ich stehe nicht auf zufrieden zu lieben. Ich mache noch Geld. Wie lange ich schlafe?
Direkt de staat stof is te gewoerd, de mijnes.
Das schwere Economy. Was ich an Gemille, da haben wir geschlafen, das ist 61 von heute. Weißt du, wie geht es zu sterben?
Just imagine the stretch, maar staat over nog een start.
Wow.
Yeah.
They probably have to have it worked out. Like, Mr. Mafilla, the hand, like, it's just like oof.
Any type of movement. People 2000 years, ze kunnen zich geschreven. Hold on, let me do the phone over here, do me mute.
Oh man, that's silent.
Ik heb als aan mijn funny connection, als ik hem to the phone. Ik mis empfen.
Ja.
Ga maar, bro. Oh, die guur? Nicht.
Gut nicht.
Besides money, obviously, but I'm saying in general.
Yeah, now I'm also dealing with that also a little bit. Like when I realized that when I don't have the phone on me and all of a sudden I feel the phone klinkt.
Yeah, that's normal though. It's a normal thing, unfortunately.
Yes, because it became normal. Gunish klinkt, keiner rief nicht. Nobody ever called me like, I'm in a good mood, let me give you some money. Nobody. And if yes, I wouldn't believe that.
You're like, what's going on? Hoe schikt hij me geld?
Ja,
Wie bad mood is het?
Ja, wie gaat het kosten? Wie gaat dit geld kosten?
Yeah. So het is fijn om te horen. It's like, was it the strings attached?
Yeah.
That guy doesn't even know.
Person doesn't know it. It's
Like even like 2 weeks later, Janne called to us, and you're like, oh man.
Yeah.
You just got off from 2 weeks ago. Damn it. If only it been like a month later, I could say no. It's like, it's in this month, in warmkeit.
Ja, het is nog een schaffe man.
Zoals man ze die geven.
Yeah, but that's how the world works. And I don't know if I can't say it's good or bad. I could say it's ugly. How the world sometimes operates. But part of what I liked when I traveled was you see that there's good people. Now, some people say in order there should be good people, it has to be an ugly world. I don't believe in that so much. It has to be an ugly world, there should be good people. I went to somebody for Shabbos this weekend. There was a divorcee Shabbaton. Whoa.
People that are divorced that came for Shabbos?
Yeah, by him, by Upstate in Chester.
Shlomi
I have to say that I think it's beautiful, a guy that gives his property for Shabbosim. That part was nice, but I was like, wow.
Why were you there?
I'm divorced too. I got fake ID from a Mexican. No. Me divorced too, por favor.
I didn't know.
Yeah, I don't hold it on...
I'm a vegan. I'm divorced.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
No, I don't talk to married people.
Okay, I didn't know. Okay.
Yeah.
Every day you find out new things. Who knew that today I'm going to find out this?
I didn't. I did. No, I didn't.
Funny, redden ik vind naaie Sachen.
Yeah.
A friend of mine today went on his first hike ever. He never went on a hike.
How old is he?
36.
Whoa.
He's never been on a hike.
Wow.
There was never a reason to be in the woods. Wer geht in the Wald?
The Nazis kommen nicht. Maar halt dich schnell.
Louis. So he went into the woods doing something new. And he didn't even know. He was so worried. It only gives like what to expect and what was a great experience.
And it must have been phenomenal also for you seeing...
Like alles on like questions and things that you have when you're 5. And then you go out with your father in the woods, right, for a hike.
Yeah.
But we don't have that. So it was just interesting. But I do for neue Sachen, die neue...
It's a beautiful thing to experience it, by the way. And somebody who didn't go on a hike should definitely, without doubt, go on a hike for the Nazis coming.
Ze kennen gaan in de Wald nog when the Nazis come and do. Remember we did this as fun?
Yeah.
Now it's life.
No, but nog naam, the nature is, or the woods, it's something you can't really explain to somebody who didn't do it. There are stuff like that. Anybody that went for a walk in the woods.
Yeah, some is ook eigenlijk. Eibig. Some me gesagt, weil die Riesen sind wir do, waren sind wir nicht den ganzen dort.
Ja.
Sonst drehen wir sich in der Wald.
Ich weiß schon, ich bin den ganzen Tag
Da reingehen in der Wald.
Rot gefunden.
There's like a certain peace when man geht around in the Wald. There's a certain... It's also a workout. So obviously dan blit is running and... Like nog a hike, you have the same problems, but you see it differently. It's like the way how you eat your problems. Selbe problem.
Yeah.
Just a different animal. Wie soll man erst das?
Yeah. Depends, actually. I mean, you could go into the hike with your problem and walk out without it, but that doesn't happen, and definitely I wouldn't announce it. And
if you go into a hike and your problems get solved, not a big problem whatsoever. It's a bit different.
Yeah, no, but it's true. It's true, by the way. Like many people say when they go for a hike, and there's truth to it. Like somebody said, when I'm in a better mood, all of a sudden jeder eine schmeichelt.
Yeah,
there's like this type of. I forgot we have getroffen. I dacht, wir sind nicht animal Emmas.
Schon gesehen, geht siegen. You know, when you walk down the street, kennst du das rein?
Yeah.
Schmeichel extra wide. Like, just in kick around in a mensch's punum, usually the person is going to smile back. Usually.
Yeah.
That's my experience.
Yeah.
And I've been doing it sometimes. You know, ich wache op and ich force mich zu schmeichelen.
Yeah.
And I'm like, showing that I'm happy, it makes other people happy. Selbe weg. Wenn du kommst raus von einer hike, you're already in a better mood. Sachen sind anders. People resonate with you. Like, oh my God, du bist in a guter mood.
Yeah, what's wrong?
I don't know what's wrong. I think it's more of a like envy, jealous. Like, oh wow, I want to be where you are. You know, like, what did you do? It's simple kind of a hike, or workout, but hiking.
Ja, weet wat ik aan het timmer aan dat ik ging gaan niggen, had ik weet niet was, maar ga joke. Ik ken niet maar gaan joke uit. Ik ken niet maar joke. But eine von den Sachen, was ich treibe, und eine, dass ich schmeichel, and that I tried doing.
Listen, was das? Der Weinen war?
Nein, first of all, it's the easiest way out.
So wie einer kann eine zweite Sprache, fragt ihm, kennst du Spanisch? Ja, red etwas. Sog etwas.
Yeah.
Comedy, by the way, reden ich von Comedy. Comedy bei der Chassidim, man nicht kann... Es ist ein schwerer Sell. Es ist ein schwerer Sell.
Das ist schwerer Sell.
Chassidim wachen heran und sagen, mach lachen.
Yeah.
Like it's like a challenge, like, sogar joke.
Ich make kitzeln, ich make touchen, oder nun...
So, man darf sagen, mach nie, wenn man geht heran in a comedy club. Like,
100%. 100%. Can't make a person laugh also, by the way, because it's a lot of jokes about the unexpectedness. Die weiß, ich expect that joke. So you're taking away the whole thing. Also, it's very hard, by the way, humor by Hasidim. There's a lot of not just Hasidim, many settings, by the way. Like makes nicht. I'm very happy that now comedy is making a comeback, making comedy great again. You could talk about anything comedy. It used to be like that. It used to not be. Certain jokes I might agree you wouldn't make it in one setting, but it's okay to make it in a comedy club. That's the setting over there.
Noch einmal. You scream fire in a theater,
Yeah.
it's not the right place.
Right. So I always hope there's not a fire when there's a comedian on stage.
Yeah.
Fire! Oh my gosh! He's hilarious!
Everybody's like, I'm telling you, he's burning alive. That's even funnier. That's like even, you know.
I think it's illegal though to scream fire, no?
Yes, yes. It's obvious, but yeah.
No.
We do not shrine anything that is like danger. You know, it's like shrine freedom of speech. But in a comedy club, versteht jeder einer that, you know, you could open it up and you can do most things. I don't know. Ich will weer I want to do open mic once, you know? Not once. I want to do it. That's eine von der Sachen. Ich habe mich wegen a stage fright.
Yeah.
So one of the things I want to do. But the problem is, ich habe Sachen jokes, it's very dark. And I'm sure, and I'm thinking like, nah, that's for sure not gonna go. Even in this is like they're gonna kill me. Like you gotta be super careful.
Yeah. So I go to the by Fischy, I do my dark jokes over there.
What's gonna be?
I'm like, when they don't laugh, I'm like, they didn't get it.
You all should die.
Oh, my wird nicht in Makim geworden.
Schon du Stein. Right away. Steiner mit Sachen.
Yeah.
It's funny. Machen, you know, mein Bruder wohnt leben
Yeah, no.
So sie gingen kurz nach Wald. Then they came in, they chopped off all the trees and some gemacht.
Yeah.
So now, out there we have a baseball field, yeah. It's also new, so there's not a lot of matzivas yet.
Yeah.
Mission business will pick up. it will be tight spaces. So I told him, kijk, die machst a party by dan house. You just tell the party planner to lighten lights by nacht by the cemetery. He says, schön, wenn die machst a party aus lights.
That's gorgeous.
Kind of just man weiß a cemetery, but ich has the ganze backyard.
Ja.
Jeden gehen dich nicht bei nacht zu cemetery anyways.
Ja. Bis letzten Hand hab schon geworden, ein bisschen bei Rivnitz mit dem, mit Jens.
Special occasions. Special passes.
Ja, dann beheeft bei Tug.
By the way, I think the Rimnitz do go in a light deck. I remember when it was empty, like it wasn't even a thing.
Those are the good days.
Like, but jeder hat sich dort gekannt.
Ja.
Like, every hour had like a slot. Like a slot. Like, man gewiss that they 4 Menschen came in these shoes and jene shoes and that's it. They were like small, there was nothing. Vision hat noch von der oil.
No, it wasn't there. Right, before anybody died, when they noch gelebt.
Just him.
Yeah. It was able to park right there.
Park there, like again.
But do you call that success? Like.
I mean, you can look at it that way, it's success. And also there's mentioned they expanded. A lot of people moved into this neighborhood, so equals a lot of problems. Became to that ausbeten.
Yeah.
So, you know, and people always tell the good stories. So that, like someone told me he married.
I thought we can hear good stories.
Ja. Bei jenem auf Zurus. And his shver grew up in Muncie, but at time Gunish got that you didn't know about the Rimnitz or anything. But guy to the Rimnitz, so introduced the shver to the Rimnitz, and jetzt on shver guy. I'm saying like he recruited a guy.
Oh wow, yeah.
You know, so it's funny. I think seeing a lie dick. It was just another place. It's that homie.
It's that homie.
Jetzt it's wow. Sag mal gar just like food door.
Yeah.
A factory, buildings, tents.
I'm trying to figure out if people look at us like success. We used to hang out there and say, let's get the mouse. Or anderen zijn de maas was me heen is. Ik weet niet wel wie me valt.
I don't know.
Krijg bias, who knows?
Who knows? But
There used to be, I remember, a nurse that showed up, I think, every day, at 3 o'clock, dressed fully in this blue dentist or something. There, I remember used to be with a couple of set people.
jeden Tag there was the
Yeah, in the schnar. Wow. It feels so weird that a lot of good memories is in a dead place.
It was like a positive place.
It was a positive place.
Like gewoon het keimel is je feel wie wij zijn maar geit overseas, sie hab's hat sie, oder etwas, so viel Zeit, like, okay, you're here on a mission, so but that nicht, dort ist gehen Regeln, man geht gerät.
Ja.
Like, man gesucht Tillem, man gesingen, Guitar.
Ja. Me gechillt.
Ja.
Although I'm like, wait a minute, how do I move in? I could do this more often.
does this plak come with the bathroom? Noch in der Rebbetzin gestorben, so they added her, and then other people died, and
Wait a minute, maybe that's what happened. The new sheriff in
they
town.
didn't shut it down. Yeah. I'm saying also the Vishnitzer, other families.
Glenn, he joined.
So some like a box that.
No, they had to add the box, the thin card. I think there's something happened there. Somebody got hit with
No,
a
I'm
car.
sure. I'm saying you add
I think
people.
somebody hit a dead man also.
Someone
Time.
someone hit someone like, where are you going to be buried? I don't know. A4. Ready to go.
Sometimes I wonder where I want to die. I don't have it figured out yet, by the way. Like,
I don't think you need to. I think that's like autopilot.
yeah, but there might be a place like officially. Gangen aber covidige Weg, weiß ich mein.
So you're saying if you can choose
If you can choose,
a humorous one or
I don't know. Sometimes I think in the
peaceful in bed.
peaceful in bed, definitely. That's what they say is the ultimate way of going. Is the guy lived 90 years to die in bed.
Chagetin EMS.
Yeah.
One day we get a phone, like a call comes in. Someone's husband is not waking up. I'm saying she's not coming out. He's not coming out of bed. Okay. We got the address. Woo, fleet in.
Yeah.
I walk into the house. The house kicked off. You gemacht in the 1980s or 70s. Gemacht pause in the house. The couches gehad, the plastic, the lampshades. It didn't look like a day older than 19, whatever, like a certain style. It didn't look like a day older. Sure. The old lady sits to the couch. Like I go, begeit zit in. Me vraagt hier, like, what's up? Oh, my husband, I don't remember the name. He doesn't want to come out of bed. I've been calling him and calling him. All right, so we got around in the room. So the room is a kleiner room. And the old linen. Ze kijkt als de painter. Wij zijn maar moft en maar rapt. Hij zei maar zeggen mijn heavy blankets. We zetten hem liggen in bed. And so we go closer. We take off the cover. Ik zit nou zo wie in a I don't know the position, but also wie zusammengezogen.
Yeah.
And he died peacefully in his dream.
Mooi.
The first time I ever saw a person dying peacefully,
Wow.
it didn't seem like a wrinkle on his face, fin like tsar or something. Nothing. It looked like he was. For now, he's sleeping forever.
Whoa.
Not connected to EKG, not pronounced dead, but it was like a peaceful. Like I did over here, whatever on College Road. Some aufgepickt. Got a 911 call. Old lady. Basically, when we walked in, I was still a trainee then. She blanked out and she had a heart attack, and we started CPR. And it was the first time I ever real person we're gonna do CPR. You remember every sound, when you go down for the compression, you break ribs.
Yeah.
So my heart. Yeah, so we loaded her up. We went to the hospital. We did it all the way to the hospital. She didn't make it. But that wasn't peaceful.
Right.
I don't think she's so. I'm talking more of a not of a.
She might have been gone, but it's still not peaceful.
It wasn't like a peaceful.
No.
Oh, sie gestorben. This old guy just peacefully. Still remember his face. He's like in bed, like waiting to get up.
I'd rather go like that than having a couple of cracked ribs.
Yeah, that rib thing.
I don't want this to find me in the toilet.
Oh. Yeah.
If yes, somehow it should be a flushed.
Flushed and wiped. Yeah, that could be every time, when you're in the bathroom. Not every time I'm in the bathroom, but when I'm in the bathroom and, I'm like, not now. Not like this. I didn't clean up my room, I'm thinking like my room is all mess.
My bed isn't made.
Everybody's going to judge. Please brush the sign. Do something before you die. But it's that type of...
I think if you live ruhig, you die ruhig, maybe. Who knows? Well, we'll find out
You don't know
eventually.
it. I mean, it's only besides for not feeling well, it's a very short process. You live, you're dead.
Yeah.
You're on a roller coaster. You're like, dead. Like you could have that.
Yeah.
It just turns off.
Well, there is when you see the guy's just in a good place. It's very tempting to join.
He's going from relax It's a relaxation.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Yeah. So
And
that's
that's
real positivity. That first guy you found there,
Yeah.
that's something to look forward to.
I mean, I've seen that guy in the toilet when you said, yeah.
I think it's
I didn't even know he was dead until whatever, there was like a whole story and I had to pull him out.
Why?
And I had a back issue.
ouch.
So I told another guy to pull him out and he was like blue, he was gone. Yeah, but
But they look like
yeah, you see dead.
Yeah.
You can taste the air.
you can taste the
You can taste the air.
right away almost, I think.
I mean, you get the picture pretty quick because also the body behaves totally nothing like you understand, like what you're used to.
Right,
Body,
right.
right? When I pick up your hand, I have to pull
Yeah.
you up the stairs. If you're alive, you weigh, let's say, 200 pounds. Compliment.
Yeah.
But if
I'm like, who's he talking to?
wow, I can barely see you. But if same body, dead is like dead weight.
That way.
So you feel it in the body. I still remember like pulling him up. It's like you're fighting every muscle. You're fighting. I wonder if that story actually gave me trauma. It did, but
It does. I think the first time you see a dead person, it definitely affects you.
that wasn't the first. I wasn't ready though, because I wasn't under my EMT. You know, when you get a 911 call and you have to go, you kind of could prepare.
Yeah.
This was Friday night, like 2 a.m. Someone woke me up, like something is up, whatever. Even on the way down, I made a joke. I didn't even know, like, why would I think someone died?
Yeah.
And whatever, he was in the basement, in the toilet, and it was like, oh, ooh, still haunts me sometimes. I don't know.
it's
I don't know if
definitely
it doesn't haunt me. Well. Does not haunt me.
Every time I go to the bathroom.
No, I actually do not think of that.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Because he had nothing to do with the bathroom.
I think when people say they gotta go, so they confuse the toilet for a different type of...
Don't be gone.
Just go.
Just go. Stay here.
Yeah, not out of the ballpark. Hit it into the bleachers or something.
The bleachers.
I had a desire to interview people over 90.
Okay.
Yeah, somebody's like, I have to hurry up. I'm like, why? There'll always be somebody
Do
new.
it. There's no 90-year-olds.
Yeah.
89? You're young.
I had I don't know if it's conspiracy. They try to kill out the old people by Corona. They try to take care of as many old people as possible because old people keep up the
Social Security.
Social Security, but also they keep up tradition. And in the last couple of years, there's a tremendous change. Die heeft hem overgewakt. Also fiet men zich.
Yeah.
Right? That's how we grew up, yeah. Minder gesterkt wie luche, bekitsen dezelfde Sachen. So recently, I started noticing a lot of, let's say, the today's teenagers are post. It started a little bit already pre-corona, but post-corona definitely. Wie steht es? Wie steht es? Mit keinem ist aufgewachsen geworden als der Mischstein.
Okay. I think it's the first age that is actually asking questions.
Yeah. No. They're very good. The teenagers that are asking it is very good.
But we're not used to it. The people that are being asked also didn't have a chance to ask.
Yeah.
So they have to come up with... En ook het kan me zo'n kaling.
No.
Because if you... Like, ik ben in the car and my friend's daughter vreekt op a question. And they answered. And they move on. The terrorism is given not even close to what was real.
Yeah.
Like, not a lie, but het is verstanden exactly... weiß allein nicht, wieso es arbeitet. She asked him a question. Again, for Zayed as a dumb answer. They moved on. Okay, the tochter is young. But I'm saying if... Usually, dat had ik gezegd. Few years,
Yeah.
ga je het eens googlen. So it's a different age. Jetzt vreekt men meer. Het is meer, you know... The world is open. You have everything in your fingertips. I moet me afglijven.
Moet afglijven.
De ältere haben got more knowledge, more wisdom. Still true, but the new age can't compete.
No.
Me kalt gross met dan liggen tazoi. And you don't even know it's a lie because jeder einer did that like this is how it's been.
100%. Now, if anything, there's too much information. There's too much truth.
Yeah. I think human, the brain can kann ich mithalten mit so viel Sachen. Oder, like, die kannst nicht kehren von einem in India.
No, I apologize to all my brother Indian friends.
I don't mean Afghanistan. I mean
no,
what
China.
Africa.
I can hardly worry about myself.
So, but it's funny because when you hear the stories, you do care.
Yeah.
Like, so it's like playing with the mind because you care, but you can't really do anything. So you have to learn to ignore it. Then you have to care for someone here, but you already learned how to ignore it.
Yeah.
So it's weird times. It's weird.
It's very weird times. I think one of my definitions of a whatever that word means, a better world, a peace world, is when people will treat each other in good times met dezelfde geested als in slechte zaten. Ik heb van doe allemaal gewoon in Israel. Schick that in Troy and 50 minutes. Everybody's busy. When I remember anytime a time of crisis, people do more.
Yeah. People become more bagdas.
Ich kenne people who were starving before. Good. When you go out of bomber as
humans. So in other words, you're saying Helfer Oceanum the same way we can medaf yetzaros.
Yeah.
Vemadafnish.
Yeah.
But that's very hard. That's
why I said that would be the redeemed world in my people do good at weird times. There's the bomb. I'm telling you, if somebody
Bro, I me jetzt geschickt a quick pay from out of the blue. Just out of the blue.
Who's attacking?
No, there's no bombs.
Okay, good.
I'm saying like so change man tog, and this usually doesn't happen. You know, I don't know why the guys do. I mean, thank you.
Yeah.
You accept, you know, but it's ook het nemen, by the way, is schwer.
Yeah.
Nemen atoive is schwer.
Yeah.
I mean, I actively
Ik ben bereid te lenen.
Yeah, you say it now, but
You want to see if I mean it?
Yeah.
Who's
Do
gonna
another I can't. Take the 100. I say, don't tempt me with 100, huh?
Nee.
Want dan voelt het laag in thuis. Kent the video wie einer me zegt wie someone stands with a bottle of wine and a geese, someone is pouring and he's saying, no, it's fine. I don't need it anymore. And the camera zooms out and you see it's his own hand. And he doesn't stop. No, I'm saying, if somebody does you too many favors, you're going to feel like, oh my, like there's a certain account being full.
Yeah.
And now, okay, I need to repay him. I think it happens subconsciously. I don't think it happens like strings attached. Going back to the strings attached. Ik zoek the open strings attached, the obvious ones, I don't care about. It's the unobvious ones.
Yeah.
Was botzig, subconsciously. Ik say it's by me. If somebody is nice to me after a while, then I have to be nice to them back at a later date and some nicht comfortable. It's some schwer zu sagen nein. You know,
right.
I have to really like, will ich es? Do I really want to do it or do I not? But ook we do favors to each other because that's how we survive.
That's the only way we survive. We never would have survived otherwise.
That's why we do it.
But yeah, but bekennejan, I think the difference of Dame Shibid, a mensch mit Chatoive is nicht mal balabus.
Yeah, okay.
So, like sometimes I had a time, somebody asked me for, let's say, a cigarette, yeah? I had a pen, whatever, yeah? No. Ich hab a pen right here, ich hab nicht kein Schimpf-Sibbe in der Welt, wenn ich ihm nicht geben a pen. No. Verwus? Weil ich misskenne sagen nein.
Die willst den Borgen de pen now. You're not getting the pen.
Azen keitlich. Nein!
Die Geisten bringen een pen van de car, no problem. Die pen bekommst du nicht.
No way.
Okay, again, you have to work out that muscle.
If somebody can't say no, it's a muscle to say no. Obviously, the right favor what the person is, somebody else, a peigen for the pen. I mean, I hope not. If yes,
If he's dying for the pen, then he's going to do something to you to get the pen.
probably, or put up a more convincing argument than
Yeah, whatever. However, he's going to manipulate you to get you the pen, or by force, or by a good argument, or a good conversation about it. Gash on the pen. He's gonna say how much you're gonna gain from it, or how you know.
Ja, maar dat doe ik me gewoon zie oilem hebben van de pen. Okay, just keep the pen.
pen,
You need it that badly.
Kimst toen auf einer Welt.
Ich glaub dich nicht, aber you need it that badly.
Man kommt toen auf einer Welt zu der Volksschule. Yeah. It's like 50-50, get a like it off the pen. When einer sagt, borg me the pen, and he gives you back the pen, technically he gave you back less.
Yeah.
So it's not only borg me the pen, it says borg me the pen, and give me ink.
Give me ink. Yeah.
So as if I'm a get sadik, if you lend me money, and die barks me dahinter,
Yeah.
and ich bezahle das, and I say thank you, I'm not allowed to
Yeah.
because of ribbas. I like that little.
I gotta like it. Yeah.
Because I think it's strings attached. I think it's going back to the strings attached.
it's breaking it. It's breaking the strings attached.
Like, boom,
Boom. This transaction
is done.
It's done.
There's no nothing.
Net mit Tamulashkoich.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine other guys like, he wasn't nice. I lent him money. Didn't say thank you. I'm like, yo, was has ribbas? Like,
Na, so ich hab liebe Menschen. Ich tu nicht. Aber wollte ich gemeint.
I'm not saying it.
I'm not doing it.
I'm not saying.
I'm saying what I would do.
Yeah. If you ask me, I would say thank you to the person, but
I am absolutely not telling you I appreciate it.
never. 2 weeks later, I'm still not appreciating it. Yeah, strings attached.
Strings attached. I think that's where the expression comes. Why people upset at me? Why he upset at me? I didn't do many favors. Psaza.
Or he can't do it to me. I've done so many favors to him. He can't do me that one favor back. So you did all these favors for the toilet today. That's like strings attached. Like later on,
Yeah.
the hidden ones.
There's definitely strings attached, by the way, especially in a certain year. There's definitely. The only thing is how the strings can be healthy. A violin is strings attached.
All right.
If the strings are nicely tuned, it's a beautiful instrument. If not,
Again, if you break down any type of interactions when humans see humans, there's gonna come a level where kannst du es nicht herausnehmen. Like the strings attached, it's normal that it should be. There's a certain level where there's no way to take it out. So is do strings attached. So nor do the ones versus like in between noticeable and nicht noticeable. Like ich tell you for favors, you couldn't do that particular favor. As I mean the lines. You get what I'm saying?
yeah.
So when we brecht anything down in humans, it's a point where hard written in, you are going to do a favor to someone and you are going to expect a favor back.
Yes.
Eventually. That's how it is.
Sometimes I wonder about it, if a person should expect a favor back. Meaning, say, let's say, so now my subconscious will definitely expect...
Yeah, it's not subconscious is good. Dan conscious, not good.
Right. Have to connect the sub with the...
If he gives me back a favor subconsciously, because I gave him a favor last month, I did him a favor last month, then it's perfectly symbiotic. Arbeit fine. They dance arbeit.
Right.
Says no when you call it out. Like strings attached in ich zoek dir, I'm doing you a favor now, but you owe me one. Like you owe,
That's hard money lending.
That's no issue.
No,
So next month I can call in that paper and I can say, listen, you owe me a favor.
No.
Says the ones versus you didn't do it for any quid pro quo. You're calling in that favor later. No.
I think there used to be rules in the street, by the way. How you shook the hands, how you told the person.
What's that?
Let's say, mit einer Teuve. So you'd be like, the person would be like, you owe me one. I'll be like, yes, give him a handshake. Like,
you owe him one.
There would be an accounting of it, but it would be communicated in a certain linguistics that a person knows he's owed them one, not like,
No,
open
strings detached, which I'm okay with.
I hope one of the stuff I once heard by and I believe in, Heer of mit Lishma. Jeder einer soll leben loy Lishma.
But it doesn't work. It doesn't. It's.
I think a big man once said, if people do loy Lishma, Mashiach v'shalat. Head off with things you want to do it for God.
Yeah.
No, you're living in this world. I need a favor. Why are you getting?
Be real about it.
Be real about
it.
it.
Be real about it. Analyze it. Dus je gaat zoeken naar een gaan mannen. Een certain zaak. Kijk me wel, man, whatever. Je moet zoeken naar. Reason being because I feel like I can't take it because I'm going to owe him.
Yeah.
It's like gonna be like a weird symbiotic relationship right now about these things attached.
Yeah.
So I said no. Ik ben geen openly about it, like my cup, gezocht. But
I think it's very healthy.
yeah, I'm trying, working out the muscles. We got to the mental gym.
Yeah. Muscle, you can't. It's not like hit your knee on the wall, bounce your head.
Hit head here.
We're not talking about such a mental workout.
No. I'm saying the inside brain to work out stuff is just like going to a gym.
I think it's to a gym. It's even
A gym is meer compact als de area, die weet wat dit is. Die targets, the muscle, it's meer lames.
yeah.
It's
You can't say what
simple.
it is.
It's more simple in a sense. You do the work, you see the outcome. It's een beetje meer. It's a 24-hour gym. Du bist
24.
ivy kinematic. And also, when do you work on something, right? When you willst arbeiten auf biceps.
Yeah.
Guys dann to the gym, hype stuff, weight, biceps,
Yeah.
movement, and whatever, and and the ribs grows back stronger. In the brain fight gym, when do you work on something? Only when you're in that story.
Right.
So it takes double power because in the story, whenever you're going through whatever, I'm gonna work on not getting angry.
Yeah.
I get angry, I'm gonna try to work on it. When do you have to work on it? Not on a green Sunday when alles is fine.
Yeah, but
You have to work on it when you're pissed, when you're opgerekt.
Yeah.
And then you're like, oh, yeah. I said I'm gonna work on it. So it's like more of a in-depth gym. Like you work on it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then you lose it on Wednesday. And
Yeah.
back strong on Thursday.
I actually worked on getting angry. No, the opposite.
To get angry.
To get angry.
Enough with having fun. Now you're really getting there.
No, I'm thinking.
What kind of methods were you using?
I was trying out some new medicine, man. Some neo psychology.
You text your friend, you're like, okay, call me 10 times. Make me nervous.
No, because I realized, how do I know if subconsciously I'm pissed at the person, but the black is,
Yeah.
So I said, let myself be, if I feel angry,
Let it come out?
let myself be angry.
Okay, that's even closer mit the feelings. Mit
Ja,
the emotions.
so, weil ich kann nicht arbeiten auf Anger, nur Tomer, also wie gesagt, ich bin angry.
Ja, du bist doch angry. So
Right, so Tomer, black anger, Menschen die, but they end up making a bubble inside, and all of a sudden, and a touch.
A bubble
Die
or-
Nazi.
Whoa.
By the way, you know what I'm wondering about? Why don't we go with yellow stars?
It was our choice?
No, jetzt, stand. A stramel, ich bin gesagt, wir müssen a stramel, ja. I thought of one reason why not. But ich bin too tired. The price from the yellow star would be like $7.50 by now.
The off-yellow one is, der Babetje wollten gegangen mit der mehr off-white. Was hij zijn van litten. One will go on the chest. And then, zijn we voor Pishbarg. Dus gaan we dat doen. We be die ganze Zeit an arguments.
100%, but I'm much worried about it gegangen. But auf Sachen angefangen, also by the way, it was switched.
There was something and they...
Und ich gemisst dat heute 10, hat man das gemacht, stell dich vor, mit dit ein auf ein Bucher. Wie ist dein geilste?
Wie?
Arroz von nu!
Bist du? Hello? Wie dan gele steek? But redding ik van World War II,
Ja.
I always had a thought that I think that the numbers was met Bakiman, wat in zijn zijde van Bakiman, the tattoos. I feel like they should have made it that every family gets it.
Beglaal?
Yeah, you turn 13, 18, whatever, and you get the number that your grandfather had. It's something to remember.
Ah, deze meidste, wow.
I am a 3604 family.
I hear that.
I don't know.
No, that's actually cool. If not a picture of it, something.
Something to remember it, or I wasn't thinking about picture, but picture is a pretty good idea.
Something. I don't know what my grandmother's number is. I remember. No. I
You
remember.
you have it in your context.
Man, that would be funny. I think it was. I forgot how many digits it was. What's your phone number? 1 second. That was the first phone book.
Is it? Ja. Zimmer says alle numbers, winter says nicht kein eins.
No, but I think it would have been actually cool.
I think they should have stuck with it. Like a remembrance.
A pride, that was something that unite, something beautiful about
You would have something to show now.
a lot of cultures. Something that attacked their culture became
A part of it.
A part of it, and the opposite. It became a almost. They turned it into an honor.
A
strammel.
A scheitelstrammel.
Scheitelstrammel. Yeah, I don't know what happened with that. By the
Bro.
way, Lord have mercy.
Bro, yes. You hear what I'm saying? Like, for some reason,
Oh my God.
it didn't settle in my head.
Very good.
Like, it did. Like, I was saying, ich habe gesagt von einem,
Yeah.
if let's say, ich wollte noch einmal ungetein, zurückgekommen in ungetein als Strammel.
No.
Jetzt sicher nicht.
Yeah.
Like, now even if I...
Kaltisch gestrammel, by the way. Kalta. I remember when mehr gedacht, nicht mehr gedacht, but I should find
Ja, gedacht.
unfortunately I should find somebody to spend my life with.
Ja, Mädchen, I'm glad du jetzt. The next person, you know. You look this way, he's tapping you in the shoulder. I'm this way. You've been here my whole life.
That I remember asking him, I said, where's the office that they designed this?
I don't know.
I said, in France, some guy like we're going to make this Schreimul higher, and we're going to give it a curve. It will be beautiful.
The wind will blow it, you know.
En dan brengt hem, kannst du es machen, aber ein bisschen schöner?
It's crazy how it's riesig.
It's riesig. There's an extra 6 or 7 inches that is not attached to anything.
And it's like
and not just that, it's fake.
Okay, that I
no,
don't
no,
care.
but lower the price.
Price.
It's
Somebody needs to make Shabbos, you know, and fake that I
real
real.
to go good before that Shabbos.
Macht die Hand auf jede Shabbos. I'm saying the fake that I don't care. Like that I don't care if it looks. There's
No, the price wise, only price. No, used to be you have to get Weidlich that magic that it's all painted. It's probably not even a Weidel. It might
that
be,
I
it
don't
might be
care.
the same here from India. But
No, that I don't. Not most probably. But the hood on top, it's like it like ich kann schon sehen jetzt in Gelad so gehen for a monthly blow.
Shoot. Ja, to do.
No one.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I asked somebody by the way, if had a Scheitelmacher. If I could just give it to the Scheitelmacher.
Hello, my guy, for a blow and dry, whatever size.
Yeah, they have. If they're advertising only once a year, twice a year, Peisig, is do schon Menschen zeggen we ze gaan meer af.
For a chasana. No, but it no good. Like, you know, he guy met a hit. There's all types of levels. There's people that go like this,
Yeah.
and people go like this. That a boonum guy and so, you know, like a sheaf. Okay. The Strammelhand, you can't even go straight. It's so heavy or whatever. Maar jeder gaat schon hand schief damit.
Yeah.
But it's so hoog. I don't know. I don't like where. Like,
Weird, why? By the way, like met de rode kijk met Tsaraim Free te liefde, no de Tsarha, the Shibid, the Koishia Shibid.
was my question?
Basically, it's supposed to be 400 years, right? And 210 years because it was much harder
than
It
expected.
was compressed. To make Koishia is going to sag schwerer.
Okay.
Gemein die meint de hand te gestramelen.
Zie je het keer vrije?
Met Tsaraim is gegoelen van maken na dag. No, dat je dus een bootje kent overgoelen met
And this change happened 10 years. Like, maybe I'm dreaming, maybe 20, maybe 20.
No.
But
No. Not just that. I can't wait for the day till I see like episodes. I Jappie zete Stram like, wow, he's making it here like that.
like, als je hem gezien hebt, like, that guy, okay, wie heißt der? No, de Kochav, like that of status. No? Große Gläser.
Ich weiß nicht.
Wow, ich muss kicken sein Nummern. Digga. Ich muss kicken sein Nummern. Digga. Wie heißt der? Der Digga sagt, Chaimo.
Ja.
So, geht ungetein Chassidisch. But he's, like, macht Chozik, sein Strammel, hat a Strammel, es hat, like, white hair. Like highlights.
Alt geworden.
No, like highlights. And macht Chozik. Like, he's like, I'm guessing, macht, he's pushing the boundaries, but it's...
They have that highlight.
And even the packages. Ganze Zeit, es gibt also a map.
Yeah.
Von a midbit or something.
Yeah.
I'm saying, like, there's all types
So
of...
packages, at least I like that it became... I'm waiting for it to become colorful.
So colorful?
Everybody could go colorful.
In the Gartlich, you saw the Gartlich, and it's like a reason, like, what's happening?
I don't know. Jeder is...
The package gaat me schon shown as in the settling. The strammel.
The strammel. The back... I don't mind if people could wear it. It's once it becomes the must. See
Also geht das.
No, I back somebody go with by the way, the step down material, many clothing, not just packages, clothing.
Yeah, cheaper.
Much cheaper.
Fabric, fin chemicals and stuff. It's not like it used to be, of course.
I'm talking about shirts and
yeah.
It's
cheaper.
But what's the cheaper and
in the also wie amut gekauft hat in Hand Liesmann.
Yeah.
So bedacht mit shirts. Amut got a shirt for you're buying a shirt for life. Geht so als übergedreht sich geworden a größer Lach.
Yeah.
Hand kauft man das bis der nächste Dienstag.
We should start leasing shirts.
It's a different lifestyle, different Weg von kicken. But yeah.
Wow, I wonder if they could be such a job. Eine kauft der Hamid. Fahre 4 5 Wochen.
Lease return.
Der eigen douche.
Poison returns.
Yeah. Maybe.
Who knows? But yeah, I don't know where this is going.
I have no idea where it's going.
I don't know. Somebody's driving this?
I believe so.
Like,
no. I hope so.
yeah.
Because if it's not being...
Voert das ergens gaat
nou zo. Baan was voert toen...
Ja, unreider.
And people are saying the quality of life is getting better. The quality of...
I think it is getting better. I just think that a lot of people are taking that nicht advantage. Man nimmt, when...
Merat?
No, you think like life comes like this because it was always like this.
Yeah.
So we... Man nimmt nicht advantage from the moment. I feel like we're not taking advantage of the gits was man hat.
Het is schwer.
I know.
No, weil the gits is sehr...
Ich habe geschrieben, meint auch, you know when you prepare? Wenn es geht.
Yeah.
Nobody prepares, wenn es schlecht, was ist schlecht.
Ja.
Dann muss just hosten Sachen.
Yeah.
So the same thing, I think we're living in such a good world, a perfect time to prepare.
Yeah.
No one is prepared.
No one's
Kauf
prepared.
größere Strammel.
Yeah. No, that's very
Du
scary.
sagst, wir haben einen Gittenstrammel, just by the way. Wo heißt man Gittenstrammel? Es ist nicht hecher wie der Husens. Gitten.
You can't make this up. I think this will be
I don't know why I'm going back to that.
No, I'll tell you why. Because you said we can't talk about dark comedy. But you look out there and you're like, oh my gosh.
They're making fun of themselves.
They make fun of themselves. And by the way, we're using a very polite example.
It's a bitches.
It's a beaches, and this is if you go out there, somebody, I'm seeing a YouTube clip of what's going on in America, how people are dressed. Oh my, meint ze zoeken, eine gaat ook die werden astronaut.
Okay, but yeah. A bisschen status at that video wie geht er umgetin.
I'm like, dude.
I actually like him. Du kennst a bisschen status?
A bisschen, not much.
A bisschen. That's all.
What do you mean?
His name is a bisschen status.
Oh, I didn't know that.
He's actually good. He's finding his rhythm. He's finding his
that's good.
Wie belangt.
There's definitely a world of potential and opportunity for some.
Wieso? Oh. Also wenn du sagst, es geht, von wem und von wem und nur ein Mann. Was es geht.
Yeah. I think that something is the way the world sounds like a movie. The world always comes in shlavim, so to speak. Changes.
Maza Slavim.
Actually, don't even know what language it is. Hebrew, maybe.
Slavim.
In courses, so to speak. in sections. The change doesn't happen. Besteht auf morgen and ich weiß nicht was.
No, small little changes.
Small little changes. And right now, the mankind is going. If 10 years, anybody who's 30 sees the change that the world changed. If you could point it out or not, kids are know much more access. Man kann sich behalten von Kindern. Jeder hat Maske. Ein Kind kann Hand wissen, was a 40. What's that? Was Rockefeller? Yeah.
Oh, of course.
The richest person had back then had Hand. Jeder ein. Got a refrigerator. Ik ben de oudste van de wereld. Ik had een refrigerator.
had chilled Wasser. Chilled.
Ja, ik mijn, then he was $900 million.
It's a billionaire, bedoel ik toch.
Much more. But they basically had a luxury, a toilet. And he didn't have to go to an outhouse.
Yeah, didn't have to share with you. Outside. He was in his own kingdom. He was in his own freedom.
Ja, so jetzt jeder hat a toilet, jeder hat a...
Jetzt a toilet.
It's gut nicht.
Die hast nicht bis da Rachmanis.
Serious.
Okay, but that's normal. That's I
Right.
mean, the
So there's certain
progression.
things that progressed unbelievably. Part of what's changing.
I'm glad. The toilet zag.
Toileting, I'm very happy about.
Yeah, just imagine you come in and do is by the dining room. From Tuesday to Wednesday.
In the middle of the sea.
Begait Mishpachas Gross, Badistik. Sorry, Mishpachas Gross, nothing. Just picked the number.
Ja, ich will letzten bei eine Laden an einer von Shabbos. I'm gonna eat by them Shabbat Batog. Bei Nacht essen sie dort und Batog is es in the... But imagine you have to walk at 5 minutes and eine steigt auf mitten in der Nacht. Das verrot kein finden.
Coordinate was different. By the way, when I asked those days, and toilet and hand, and then it's different.
They probably ate better.
I mean, first of all, if you had food. That was a plus. And also, you had healthy food. I'm saying there was no...
real food. You had real food.
So it's different. And also,
That I miss. I mean, I miss. Clearly, I had it 100 years ago. Oh,
no,
I miss it.
Food, but food, by the way, changed. I feel like a 15-year-old kid today really didn't eat food.
No, boy, the mini machine, I call it.
Like, yeah. Oh, wait a minute, machine. Shackle near plastic. Like, everything is factory made and
Apple
commercial.
flavored, you know, the apple flavored Priget and stuff like that. They never throw an apple.
Ja, so niet moet staan in klas. They talk. Ik sta alleen de maple syrup. So maar like, it's a maple syrup. Taste the maple syrup. So hoe is dat?
Of the vegan roast uiteindelijk. Maple syrup!
Maple syrup. Oui?
Wait. Ja.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, we didn't know. We thought it was cherry flavored. Nope.
Yeah.
Cherry flavored cherries, you know?
Yeah, my new diet rule is I went to the gas station if I can't. It used to be hard words, but now the words don't even sound English. It almost looks like it's syllables.
Was?
Then I don't need it.
Oh, the ingredients?
Ingredients. If I don't recognize any of the ingredients, talking about out of 7, any, I'm besides yellow 14 or blue 63.
Okay, das weiß man schon.
Deze ben ik schon gereid. Dat is een color met een number. Ik weet niet, whatever, but okay. It's a color.
Try to that into the...
I thought, yeah, it's blue 14. Sure, blue 14. You're kidding
Yeah.
me? Blue 14, go back here.
Yeah, remember the Laffy Taffy Blue 14?
Yeah. But if it goes... Right now, they have words that... I don't even know if made in a Chinese lab or something, the words that they came out with.
Oh, how they come up with words? They smack a keyboard. All right. All right. I guess this has some English. Red ik verstaan. Don't die here. So. Like, I know it's humorous and all,
Maybe
but
I do want to die laughing. I think so. Yeah,
it's called having an aneurysm.
Oh, wow.
You didn't even hear the punchline. Is that already?
No, on my side, I definitely want to have a joke written. Definitely.
Come on. Every time the joke is going to change, somebody's going to have to chisel it out.
And I'm working.
How about
on
a
it.
screen that just
I'll just
switches?
could
jokes?
be a screen. No, then I'll have to pay a lot of jokes. Or I could just, or I'll just write jokes on you.
Welcome to my place.
Or I'm gonna write it. I'm not visiting you back.
Get me out of here.
Yeah.
You know, the people was haben the Matzivas and they engraved their name, their faces on it.
Yeah.
So ich habe recorded myself like for 8 years. So eine von der Chaloimim sind, that on my tombstone had on a computer was at spielen videos. The AI had spielen videos from VIGGY. So when you come to my situation, to my last stand, is they can have my conversation with VIGGY. The AI will pick up from all the data that I have from VIGGY. It will make another VIGGY. Whatever, just alone.
No, that's the trippy. That might be in the next couple of years more of a reality.
It's almost a reality now between OpenAI. Everybody's working on the ChatGPT.
The question if there's money to be made over there.
It's always be money. Money is it all.
Yeah, but AI.
You haven't figured it out until now. Schwache chance.
Ich weiß, noch ein Name.
Ich rede mir al aan.
No, because I say, by the way, certain people, they say, Tave von Geld is it's a Tave, but it's not, ich kann mich nicht...
Ich kann nicht kantaben.
Ich kann nicht Tave dann bequem.
No, I know what money could bring. I know. Ich habe schon gesehen. It's extremely powerful in... Ich will es. But ich stehe nicht auf in der Vrienden, ich will lift. Like, kennst du die Maße ein, dat ich gefragt habe, like, how do you make the money? So ich dachte, let's meet tomorrow at the beach. Ja, treff sich bei der Beach. Ich hab den Mond, man wacht daran in der Beach. Der Oischer geht ein Leiger auf der Gevermans Kopf in der Wasser. The guy starts fighting, picks up his head, fragt him, what do you want? Air! He said, that's why. He likes me gaan aan. Ik ga gewoon vlees met wat ik wil. Money. That's how much money. That's how much you want money. You punish that drive.
No.
I don't have that drive. I don't know.
But I wouldn't mind if the rich man takes me to the beach. No, I can't have the rich man by the beach and stuff like this.
Well, that's just going to nobody was judging you besides me and everybody.
No, because I really like this. It's the same thing with strings attached. I don't mind it, but how much am I willing to
give up?
Yeah, I'm not willing to give up my freedom if it's in this type of dressing. I know I have a lot of people, Baruch Hashem, that are successful, not successful, but
yeah, not successful at the other.
Und ik denk, ik had erbij, dat het einde was bretjet. Ik had erbij, heb het wel zo grote oisjes. Wat fijnste? You related to the person? He said, no, I'm not a grandchild. Like, so why are you crying? He's like, that's exactly why he's crying.
You were so close, yet so far.
Ja, ik heb het niet.
Back to square one.
Yeah, that's that.
Thank you. I think this was amazing.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Met gezien bij de next.
Yeah.
Peace.